Hello friends, once again welcome back to another new video from Health and Techie. Today in this video I will be showing you how to make compost at home using kitchen waste. So without wasting any time, let's start now. First of all, you have to take a good container and then you have to add normal garden soil at the bottom. After adding the soil, you can add some paper just as like this. Now you can add whatever the kitchen waste you have, like vegetable peels. As you can clearly see that I am adding all of my kitchen waste directly into the pot. After adding these things, you can add another layer of normal garden soil. After adding the normal garden soil above this, you can water this one. It is important to keep your container closed using a lid, and you have to shake this one during each day. After 20 days you will get a very good compost as a result. It is important to keep your container in a partially shaded area, and don't forget to shake the container during each day. Now I will be showing you how to use this compost or the fertilizer for your plants to get better healthy plants and also get good flowers. I recommend to use this compost during each 30 days. If you have any doubt in this video, please let me know through our comment section. Okay friends, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel to see more videos just as like this, and also click the bell icon to get the notification. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.